láta hann fremst að pröfa undir sko. Það munar hann allt. Brautin er undir 400 metra. Brautin er það. Þetta sé 100 og 100, 100 og 100. Þetta sé 400 metra. Þetta er 50 metra.
Australia, no change in the opening number once again. Shelley Woods of Greg making a move.
A very different race ball to the two heats that we saw on day one.
Chopping and changing all the time.
the scoreboard on the sad stand, we have the top positions.
Síðustu metrana.
Amanda McGrory, the defending champion in the lead for the umpteenth time, and Liu Wenjun of China just behind her in second place. Shelley Woods back in fifth place at the moment. Over at the javelin, we're starting the very last round of this final.
We are ball and the leader coming into the final round is Tanja Dragic of Serbia, who in the second round through 42.51 for a new world record.
Well, it's slowed down once again. Shirley Riley there with Christy Dawes of the USA. First and second place.
How far you hope in the US?
Just easing on behind them. Also in the pack there, Caroline Fry once again, the Canadian wearing the all-black strip. Just looking back through the field, Shelley Woods once again back in fifth or sixth place. Just making a move around the outside. And that's off again. We've got Deanne Roy in there, the world record holder as well. The second Canadian in this final.
Good positioning herself very well. She remains on the inside.
Caroline Fry leads. Shirley Riley is leading back as well, along with Christy Dawes. 4 laps to go in this women's 5,000 metre final.
In the long jump, it's Suzanne Bergman of the Netherlands. Next to jump, and then it's Stephanie Canada.
This was a dramatic race 4 years ago. Shelley Woods winning her first ever Paralympic medal as a bronze on that occasion. What about the British #1 years time? You just get the impression this is going to be a sprint finish, perhaps over 800 metres, even 400 metres.
Back to the women's long jump because it is a very closely fought competition for gold and silver. Cartwright leads by a mere 2 points from Steph Reed. Steph Reed on the runway next.
They come round this time, it's going to be 800 metres to go. Hollywood's the record in second place. It is Wilfred Switzerland leads. Caroline Fry in third place. The defending champion, Amanda McGrory, at the back of the pack, will wait for the great American to make a move. With a foul. 11.5 to go. Shelley Woods of Great Britain in third place. There's a lot of incredible sprinters in this field. Edith Walker, Switzerland, right at the front. 200 meters to go. Sandy got a medal, winning time 12:27.87, and Makako Tushida may have got in amongst them as well, but Edith Walker of Switzerland wins the gold medal ahead of Shirley Riley of the United States. And Christy Dawes of Australia wins the bronze.
Track for your enjoyment of the final laps of that exciting women's 5,000 metres, but I can tell you that in the women's long jump, with her third round jump, Step 3 retakes the lead, resetting. Remember, it was a 2-point gap.